Tuberculosis is usually caused by a bacteria that is called the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Right on this video, I'm going to be explaining the symptoms of tuberculosis and how one can contact tuberculosis. Let's slide on to the symptoms of tuberculosis. There are a lot of symptoms of tuberculosis, but the major symptoms of tuberculosis are: 1. A cough that lasts more than 3 weeks and usually comes with blood or chest pain. Secondly, night sweat. Thirdly, unintentional or unexplained weight loss. Fourthly, loss of appetite. And finally, severe fever. Therefore, if one comes up with these symptoms accompanied with cough which lasts more than 3 weeks with production of blood and chest pain, that might be a sign of tuberculosis. So the person needs to run to the hospital to carry